Class Dojo is a great classroom management tool. There's an app, and you can also use the web-based version on your computer at classdojo.com. For this video, I'm going to be inside the app on my teacher iPad. There's also a feature that will allow you to have both a teacher account and a parent account in the event that your personal child is in a classroom or Class Dojo is being used. You can create your teacher account and then click the three bars in the top corner, and I'll see my school and my classes. And as you go in and create your account, it will walk you through all of that. So we're going to go ahead and jump to my sample class. And I recommend keeping a sample class just in the event you need to try anything out. Just practice things. It's the easiest way. So you can see I've already placed some students here in my class today. That's super easy. You'll see the plus on the screen. If I wanted to add another student, let's say I had to transfer in, I just hit the plus, I'm done, and now Lisa's added to our class as well. So those are my individual students. You're going to notice up in the top middle corner or top middle section underneath sample class, it's going to say groups. And I can actually group my students. So let's say I have group number 1, maybe that's table number 1. And then I'm going to say, oh, okay, well, that is Al and Sharon and Dean are in that group, done. And then I can just continue creating groups. Awesome. And I can just repeat that process as many times as I need to. So I'm going to go back to my student view. And I want to talk about, what is Dojo, how can I use it in my class, things like that. So I clicked off of the groups. I see all of my individual students here. And let's say we're doing a group assignment and Peyton is really on task today. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on task. And I see that little 1 appear. So it becomes like a running tick mark. So let's say Peyton, again, is great participation within the group. So I can keep adding those points. But let's say a little while later, Peyton needs some work. So you're going to notice positive is kind of the default, if you will, on the left. But on the right, it under needs work. I can add some skills. Let's see. That was off task. And I can say how many points do I want Peyton to lose when that off-task behavior happens. And then I created it. And I can continue to assign those. And if I go back to my positives, I can also add those skills and I can even take those away. So if you have any students that are on a BIP or that just need that documentation of their behavior, you can tailor these to meet those reporting points. So I'm going to say done with all of that. And Peyton needs that work. You're going to notice that Peyton's back to 1 point. So I can continue to keep this running record as long as I want to. Weekly, by 3 weeks, by 6 weeks, by semester, whatever works best for you. The great thing is when you clear out those points, that running report record stays and you don't have to worry about it at all. So let's talk about those reports. You're going to notice up in the top right of your screen there's a bell, and then there are 3 dots. I'm going to click the 3 dots, and you're going to see I have a lot of options. I could keep like a supplementary attendance thing here. I can come here to edit my students, edit my skills, my class information, kind of all of that good stuff, all here in one place.